Hello there. If you found this video, you're probably searching for how to use Photoshop to copy text, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you now. And remember to give it a thumbs up if it solved your problem. Let's hit the road. See how we're going to do about this now. When you come to your Photoshop, just open up a new work. Okay. Great. Now, if you come here, we can always fit it on screen so that you can see clearly what I'm doing. Now, to be able to copy text, see what you do here. There are two ways you can go about this. One is to follow me, go to your text, say I want to copy this text. To be able to do this now, see what I'll do. I'll move my tool to my workbed text and I'll open it. Now, I can choose whatever the way I like it. Now watch me, you can choose it to be an arc and your text becomes an arc. You can choose anything at all, just amongst the drop down, just choose anything you like and you see yourself, your text showing different ways. See, and when you are done, you can just okay it, and if you're done, you have a curved text. Now the other way to go about it also now is to, you can use your pen tool. Come here, click it and click, make a shape you will like, any way you want the shape to come in. Now go back to your text tool again, pick it and let's type varsity again, and you see that. So this is how to go about it. So I believe this solved your problem, but if it did solve your problem, just give it a thumbs up and thank you. See you next time.